Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Ryker here. The bike is looking good. I love the new windshield. If you haven't seen that video, please check it out. I'll put the link in the description below. And just want to go ahead and bring a video to you about how practical this is. This is amazing. I'm at my folks' place for dinner. And you know, originally I'm from Pakistan, so you know, our food, they're cooking some great food, and I figured, yeah, you know, let's go get some naans. And I don't know if you know what naans are, but they're this round bread that we eat with our food. So we've got like butter chicken, we've got mutton chops, some good mouth-watering food. So you know, I had somebody about to go and pick up naan, which again, if you don't know, is like a round bread from the restaurant, that in a car. And I'm like, what are we doing picking up naans in the car? We're gonna go and pick up naan on our bikes. You know, it'll be nice to get a ride in, and it'll be my second trip on the highway with the new windshield, so this should be pretty cool. We've been struck with rain here past week, on and off, and I haven't ridden at all. Actually, just did my the whole week. The only time I rode was over the weekend when I brought to you the first highway ride video of the F4 Customs windshield. So haven't done anything, and I figured, you know what, why go in a car to get some bread? Let's go ahead on the bike and use my saddlebag and bring some bread back, and it'll give me a chance to ride the bike as well. And we're on our way to pick up some naans. Tandoori Naans is what it's called, and it's some good stuff. If you don't have any subcontinent food, if you've never had any subcontinent food, you know, it's good stuff. Give it a shot. I'm pretty sure whichever city you are in, if you're in, around, or near a big city, I'm pretty sure there's going to be an Indo-Pak restaurant near you. So there's some good stuff. We're known for some barbecue stuff, and like dishes galore. I mean, God, we can cook a chicken 10 different ways and have 10 different names and 10 different tastes. And I think that's still not, you know, that's still not all of it. You know, you can cook even more. Woo! Man, it is so hot today. It's like 80, almost 90 degrees today. But the wind feels good. The bike feels good. The bike is doing good. Look at that. It was parked for a week, and no issues. Came in, started it up, first try, no problems. Oh, you know what I did add? I think I'm gonna have to do a new video of the accessories, a second take on all the accessories that I have. I added a couple of things. So I purchased another GoPro, and this is a used GoPro that I purchased. I purchased the windshield, so I didn't want to get the new GoPro 8, but eventually I will get the new GoPro 8. But what I want is a drone. You know, those drone footages are really amazing. So I think I'm going to save up for a drone next. I'm not going to get anything crazy or expensive, but I'm actually looking into a Mavic Air 2 that they have come out with. It's a newer drone. I was looking at the Mini, but Mavic Air 2 is a little bit more expensive, but it's got some benefits to it, where it has follow mode, you know, where the drone follows you, and then you know, it's got a couple of extra sensors than your Mini. So I don't know. I mean, I'm not an expert in drones, but if you are, let me know. You know, the Mavic Air 2 costs around 800 bucks right now, and I think it is around 1,000 with a bundle. So not going over this price. I mean, if you know much about drones, let me know in the comments below. What do you recommend? What do you guys use, or what's a good bang for the buck? You know, because I want to be able to get some decent drone footage, and what I want to do is for the drone to have the capability of following me at a certain speed. You know, because you know, when it's following you, and you know, that really comes out, it really ends up with some good footage of drones following you on the bike. And you know, I think that kind of stuff is pretty cool. I need to evolve to the next level of making videos, but not just for the motorbike. I want a drone for, you know, just to start to see what I can do with it. You know, what kind of videos I can do for myself, and just to have a drone. You know, a lot of people I know have drones, especially if they're into vlogging and motor vlogging especially. So I think I'm gonna buy a drone. I like the idea of having one, so I'm gonna get a drone. Just need to know, what do you guys recommend? I am looking into the Mavic Air 2. It's 800 bucks, and for being in that price range, I think that's a really good drone. But if you guys have another couple of options for the same price, brand new, of course, I don't want to buy anything used, or if you do suggest that used is better, let me know. I'm open to buying used if they're good quality. So yeah, so that's what I'm looking to get. I did get a claw mount. I bought a GoPro Hero 4 session. I was gonna go for a session. I was finding it used on eBay, and the sessions were costing around I think 160-70 bucks on eBay used. And I did some research, because you know, the sessions got really confusing for a little bit. You know, like you have 4, and then you have session, and then you have 5, and I'm like, they all look the same, which one is what? So supposedly the session 4 and the session are the same thing. From what I hear, or the videos that I see on YouTube, there's not a whole lot of difference there. It's just a repackage and renamed, and that's pretty much it. So it does the same video recording. I'm not looking to record 4K from the session. So I'm just looking at, it does 1080p at 60 frames per second. That's perfect. Just want to put something up here and just record back at me, or you know, I can always take that out and plug it on the side somewhere. I'll probably put a couple of mounts around the motorcycle so I can get some really awesome footage of some really awesome angles, is what I want to say. So being that that's a built-in battery, what I did was I also got this double USB ports right here. Installed that with the help of my brother-in-law, who owns that MT10 bike. So I got that, wired it all the way down, brought the wire all the way from the battery up here, took the panels off. Super easy to install. Of course, it was easy because I had my brother-in-law helping me, and if you know about these things, then definitely this will be an easy install for you as well. So got that out to here. That way I can just plug my phone up here and take a wire out and plug it on the GoPro session, so I can have good battery on that. So yeah, so got that new addition right here. Of course, I'm gonna get that claw mount and the GoPro. That should be in next week. And you know, initially a couple of things changed here and there, so I'll do another video here soon about what I ended up with in terms of accessories. And I'm sure there's going to be more to come, but this was it. I was going to get a wireless phone charger. They cost around 200 bucks. The one I liked was the quad lock and the RAM branded ones, but 200 bucks. I just got this for like 20 bucks from Amazon, and this thing is solid. It's got a button to power it on and off, so it doesn't continue to drain your battery. And it also has there he goes, and it also has a voltmeter so you'll know what the battery power is at. So very decent, very basic, nothing crazy. you know, you can find 100 of these. So I just went with the one with the highest rating, and this thing had about like 11,000 reviews. Went with that. It was about 26 bucks, I think. It came with a larger extension, so that worked. So anyway, I'll bring a video out quick. But here we are. If you're from here local, we're right next to the Bismillah grocery up in the Tandoor restaurant. So we're gonna go ahead and get some naans, put it in there, and head back, guys. All right, here we go. I picked up the naans. That's what they look like. Ooh, yummy, yummy. And look how practical the Ryker is. Put that in there, lock it into place so it doesn't fly around, and that's pretty much it. All right, let's head out. Let's go back home. Alright guys, and just like that, we are home. Got the naans. Time for the mutton chops. Woo woo. Oh yeah, that's the mutton chops and the butter chicken, guys. And guess who made it? Not this guy. It was her, my wife. Alright guys, thanks for joining me for the ride. Appreciate it. Hit the like button. Until next time, be safe.